A great fashion show. We're joined now by Justine Wong from Millennium. How are you, Justine?
I'm good. How are you guys?
So tell us a little bit about Millennium.
Well, Millennium's been around 12 years. Started in Mitchelltown as like kind of a knick-knack flag store, and then kind of evolved into more so like what you call alternative clothing.
That's quite a transition over time.
Yeah, it is.
But you guys stock, I mean, we'll see it when the models and stuff come out, but the quality of the things that you guys stock, I mean, it's all extremely well made.
Well, why don't we bring out our first model, and you can tell us what she's wearing, Justine.
All right, talk us through this, Justine.
This is kind of a gothic Lolita candy style. She can show you a little bit more of what she's wearing inside right now.
Well, it's beautiful on the outside too, the nice detailing and a little bit of lace.
It's got that really classy, elegant look to it. Yeah.
And I love the lining. It's so pretty.
And what's the dress underneath?
This dress is made of satin. It kind of reminds me of Marilyn Monroe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of vintage.
Really cute.
And vintage cute. Yeah.
Nice.
Very cool.
Nice, and the corset gives you some flexibility and fit and everything as well.
And then she's got a cute necklace on her as well.
Very cute.
Gorgeous.
And tell us about this one, something for the guys.
I call this a rockabilly look.
Yeah.
You know, he's got that whole dirty grunge look, but not too strong.
Yeah.
And then he's got some cute shoes going on, and yeah, it works for the everyday or casual wear for a guy.
And we have to pay some attention to the accessories as we go through this as well, because he's got a beautiful cuff on this.
He's got a stud.
Nice.
Very cool.
Going on.
Nice, I like that as well.
It works for going out and stuff, so.
Yeah.
And I'm wearing one of the cups too, and let's look at some of the other accessories that we've got over here, Justine. Tell us about some of the stuff that we've got on the table.
This is the top hats we got, and they're really popular in our store. They work for everyday wear if we're going out and stuff.
Oh, you know, I try one, but my head's so gigantic.
Yeah.
See?
Hey!
Not really.
That's actually not bad, yeah.
It could be a better fit.
Love it.
And what is this in here?
This is a Manic Panic cosmetic set. It's based in US.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
And that can give you some of the look as well.
Yeah, it
darker.
can give you a little gothic white makeup to it. Yeah.
Now, are these like brass knuckles on a little cute pink purse?
Yes, they are. They're not dangerous.
They're not dangerous at all. It just gives you something to hang on to.
Yeah.
And this is a happy little purse or lunchbox.
It's very cute.
For Mikey.
How do you guys stock stuff? I mean, is it just sort of decisions on who's doing cool lines and things that catch your eye?
We try to carry a bit of everything just to like, you know, emphasize kids to adults. It's not just adults, you know.
Well, and your clients must lead you a lot as well. I mean, what people are buying and what they like, and as the styles are changing and stuff as well.
Right. I'm sure that'll fit Mikey. Okay, let's bring out the models once again. See if it fits you.
I know, I'm stabbing.
And tell us what she's wearing. This is adorable.
She's wearing a lip service knee-length dress, and then she's wearing some really cute Iron Fist zombie stompers.
Okay, we have to look at the zombie stompers because these shoes actually have teeth on the front.
Turn one to the side.
Look how cute for The Walking Dead and all of you.
Well, it's like a graphic novel on the side.
Yeah, it's a little out there, but it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It's not something you see every day, you know?
Nice. Well, and the thing that I've noticed with everything is the detail to the clothes, you know, the workmanship.
A lot of detail.
And, you know, all that kind of stuff.
Even that little touch just adds spark to it, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. And our next couple are coming out together. They've got some fantastic outfits on. Tell us about this look here.
Oh, this is my favorite. It's called steampunk.
Yeah.
Kind of blends in with 19th century Victorian era. Think of Wild Wild West from Will Smith.
Yeah. Very
got a lot of
much
steam power, you know, some goggles, stopwatches, stuff like that.
Yeah, you can see the homage to the time as well. But once again, I mean,
it is the
quality
detail.
workmanship and everything
really cute.
is incredible.
Now tell us about his boots.
His boots are general leather. It's got straps and it's also steel, so someone steps on it, no problem.
Oh, he's fine.
No problem. Exactly.
That's what you're worried about when you
And
go
I love both of their hats, but he's got some goggles on the top too, which are really cute.
Those are steampunk goggles as well to go with the entire outfit.
Just in case you're going to time travel, you want to have your goggles, right?
Yeah.
It's true.
You never know what you're going to see, right? Yeah.
Yeah, all of it. That's really cute. Is that just pin in? Is that what that? Ah, nice. I like that.
Very cool.
The boots are only about 15 pounds a piece, so it's also a workout as you go around as well.
Very
really cool.
So if you want to find some stuff from Millennium, you can check them out. They're located on Granville Street in Vancouver. You can find their Facebook page under Millennium Vancouver. And Mike, I just don't trust you with this stuff.
Is this a belt?
Yes, that's a bullet belt actually.
Dude.
Yeah.
It's legit. Well, maybe don't focus right there. I don't really carry off the looks very
I love
well.
that you're saying it's legit as you're wearing, like, just this combo.
This is called the mashup.
Of your preppy look with all this stuff. Thank you so much, Justine. We're going to take a quick break.
Thank you.
And when we return, we are going to have some very, very exotic animals in here right after the break. Don't go away.